This particular website was developed by my team for one of my students, and this is a movie recap website. If you ever wanted to start a movie website, this particular video is going to simply help you a lot and also save your website from any future harm or copyright issues in the future. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually build a legitimate review website the right way. And we're going to be using the safe legal method that won't get you flagged on platforms like YouTube or Google search engine, Bing, and other search engines, right? How you can add your Adsterra ads, Monetag ads, and lots more in this same video. But before we get started, I'm going to be breaking it down step by step so you can actually understand how this thing works, okay? And first thing first, I'm going to be showing you the do's and don'ts of movie review website niche, okay? And the second step, I'm going to be showing you where you can actually get viral content. And thirdly, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually write your review post to stay compliant with the ad network we're working with Google, with zero copyright issues, right? Fourthly, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get traffic to this particular blog and also get movie lovers to actually visit your website. And the fifth step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually monetize this particular website with Adsterra Monetag and other monetization method, okay, in this same video, okay, without violating any policy. All right, so if you're ready for this, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us in our Telegram channel for more updates, okay? So without further ado, so first thing first are the rules and regulations of movie review blog niche, okay? As you already know, movies are protected by copyright, okay? That includes the movie scenes, the posters, the trailers, and also the script, okay? All of these things are protected by copyright, okay? Most of the common mistakes beginners make on this particular niche is doing things the wrong way, and that mistake is copying full movie summaries word to word on your website. That is not allowed, okay? And also uploading movie clip on your website directly is not allowed, okay? That is copyright violation. All right, re-uploading trailers on your website is 100% unacceptable, and that is copyright violation. All right, and also using the images, the poster of that particular video, it is 100% copyright violation, okay? And most of you will be asking, how do I actually run this particular movie stuff 100% compliance and also very much safer, all right, and legal way? And for you to actually run this successfully without breaking any rules, you have to actually focus on these two simple strategies, okay? Number one, transformative content, okay? Meaning you're going to be adding your own opinion, you're going to be adding your own analysis, and also your own storytelling, all right? And number two, you're going to simply be using the fair use policy, all right? So the fair use policy requires you to add commentary, criticism, and also review. All right, remember, we are running a review website, recap website, okay? That is what we are running, and we're not violating any policy. So having known the do's and don'ts of this particular review website, second step is to actually go ahead and pick trending movies to start with right now, okay? Remember, I told you I'm going to be showing you where you can actually get them and how you can actually run them, okay? As we've already developed and monetized this particular website, we need content for this particular website to actually start ranking and also getting us some tractions. This type of website gets a lot of traffic every single day because people are looking for movies to watch, latest movies to watch, entertainment movies to watch, and all of that, okay? If you can actually give them the solution to this particular problem by reviewing the top best movies and also dropping commentaries and also recommending best movies to watch, then that's going to simply help you a lot, okay? First you need to do is simply log into your website. So we've already developed this website, so the website is already alive, okay? This is one of my student websites right here. I'm going to be using the website and also his Adsterra Monetag account to run these stuff, all right? Okay, so the first you need to do is simply get your website fully developed. If your website is developed by my team already, then you're going to simply go ahead and start doing this already, okay? So if my team have already built your website, then you are free to start this stuff, right? Once your website is fully developed, just log into your website right here. We developed this particular website in such a way that you can actually add TV show reviews, you can add movie reviews, you can add video reviews, you can add actors, like you can review actors like actors and actresses, okay? You can talk about their biography, their age, their net worth on this same website, okay? So that is how we built this particular website, and this particular website is a traffic magnet because it has a whole lot of stuff, okay? So for you to add a post, you come to this very section right here that says movie review, all right? If you want to add TV show review, then you add TV show review from here, okay? So just click on this movie section. So remember, before we add this movie, we're going to simply be looking out for the platform where we can actually get trending movies, all right, to post on our website, okay? So if my team have already built your website, you are good to go. So this particular strategy right now is going to simply help you a lot to get started. All right, and these are the best sources for you to actually get track of all the trending stuff right now. Okay, the first platform you can actually use right now to get trending movies to talk about on your movie review website is Google Trend. Okay, so this section right here, you can actually search for movie name and also check for rising trend. Okay, another website you can actually use right now to search for trending movies is IMDb. Okay, so this is just a movie database where you can actually get a lot of trending movies to talk about and also to write your reviews about. Okay, and most of our movie website, the way we do it is this: we write reviews on movies that are yet to come out. Okay, when you write reviews about movies that are not yet out, that's going to simply help you, give you a lot of traffic, and with that, people are going to simply be visiting every single time to know whether the movie is out on your website. Okay, which is going to simply be giving you recurring traffic on your website. Okay, so go ahead and check out movies on IMDb. Okay, another website you can actually use is Netflix, where you can actually filter to the trending stuff and also the top 10 section. All right, and another platform you can actually use right now is Rotten Tomatoes. All right, so this Rotten Tomatoes right here is going to simply give you a lot of new release, the audience buzz, and a lot more. Another interesting platform you can actually use right now to get trending update about movies on your niche is the YouTube search. Okay, here you can actually get official trailers, new movies 2026, and a lot more. Okay, having known these platforms where you can actually get trending stuff, remember I told you in my previous videos, if you want to actually succeed with your website monetization, you need to actually add categories. For instance, if you want to go into movie review niche, there are important categories with higher traffic. Okay, I'm going to be showing the categories so you can actually add them to your own website. If my team have already developed and also delivered your website, then you can actually add these categories to your website right now. Okay, category 1, which is movie recap, this one right here gets you massive traffic to your website. Okay, the second category you can actually add right now on your website is the ending explain. Right, there are movies with series. Okay, and most of these series are long. Okay, and people watch only 1 and 2, forgetting the 9, 10, and 11, 12. Right, if you can actually summarize these videos and tell people about the ending part of that particular movie or video, that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, to get traffic and also get loyal readers. And the third category you can actually add is the new movie review trend. Okay, the next category you can actually add are the best movie list. Okay, here you can talk about best horror movies, best romance movie, best action movie of 2026. So the last category you can actually add right now, which is going to simply help you get higher click, is where to watch. All right, that is where to watch horror movies in 2026, or the best category on Netflix to watch this type of movie and all of that. Okay, so with this you're going to be getting higher traffic to your website and also getting more clicks. All right, so having known that, let's bounce back to our trending section where you can actually find trending movies right now. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Google Trend for this. All right, so if you go to Google Trend, once you're on Google Trend, the next thing you need to do right now is simply switch over to any country of your choice you want to target. Okay, because we are adding Adsterra and Monetag, we want country that can actually give us better tractions. All right, so if you come to this very session, you have to simply go to United States. Okay, so you can choose any country of your choice. You click on this trending now. Okay, so under the trending now, you're going to see the location will be out there for you, the past 24 hours and a lot of that. Okay, so remember, I like to go with the past 7 days. That is just me, because I want something that I've been trending for a long period of time. All right, so if you come to this section, click on the category section, you're going to simply go to entertainment. Okay, and on this section you're going to see movies, you're going to see actors, actresses. One strategy I like so much is this: you have to simply go ahead and select everything here and go to Cloudy AI and tell it to give you all the ones that are trending and also that has the potential to give you long-term traffic. Okay, and Cloudy AI is going to simply do that for you. I've already made a video on how to get that set up. Okay, just go ahead and watch this video. It's going to simply help you. The second method is to actually do this manually. Okay, you can see this is a movie. All right, so if you click on this and you go to YouTube, if this is actually trending, it's going to simply be on YouTube. All right, I'd click on the search button. You can see right here, 3 weeks ago, 4 million. All right, so this is a trending movie and people likes it a lot. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and come back to our website. So we are reviewing this on our website. Okay, the next thing you have to do right now is simply write the review. Okay, and for you to stay compliant, you need to actually watch the video or watch the trailer to understand, or just watch the storylines, everything, understand the video itself, so that you'll be able to add your own opinion. So remember, we're not going to be copying from anybody. We're going to simply be writing our own original content. Okay, this particular AI tool has already known my master prompt. Okay, in case you want the master prompt, just let me know in the comment section And because I've already been using this matter prompt on this very chart, tell it to write this, and also I'm going to simply use my own hand to edit it and also customize it and add my own opinion. That's a basic way to stay compliant with all of this. Okay, so go ahead and click on this, and this is going to simply write about this particular movie right now. Okay, so let's wait for it. So right here, you can show right here the content has been written, and this is the HTML right here. Then click on copy code. Once you copy the code, then go back to your website. Simply select this code section, and you have to simply add the code here. Remember, you're going to simply go ahead and edit it. Click on the visual, right? Add your own opinion. With that, your readers are going to simply see you as an authority on this very niche. So just go ahead and select this. This is the title here. Let's cut it out. That paste it here. This movie is trending. Okay, for this you can actually make it bold. All right, then make this bold as well. All right, next you need to do is simply go ahead and add featured image. Okay, so remember, is most of the features of every movie are already copyrighted. Okay, like from the video, the images, the posters are all copyrighted. Okay, so for you to stay compliant, you need to install this particular plugin. Click on this set featured image, instant image. Okay, so this is a plugin you're going to simply install, all right, on your website. If my team have already built and developed your website, they're going to simply install this particular plugin, all right, to get royalty free images from Unsplash, from OpenVerse, Pixabay, Pexels, Giphy, and a lot more. Okay, that's going to simply help you. All right, so once you have that in place, just set your featured image. So once you set your featured image, the next you need to do right now is simply add a trailer. Okay, you're going to simply be integrating and embedding the video from YouTube to your own website, like the video trailer. Okay, if you go to YouTube right here, you're going to see right here, this is the movie trailer here. Okay, and you click on the share button. YouTube support embedding. All right, so you click on this copy button. You have to add it here. So add this as a code. Just click on this there. Okay, you can see right here it has been added. Then click on this publish button, and this particular post is going to simply go to your website. Okay, so remember, this is 100% compliant and also copyright free. You can see right here, this is it here. Okay, so once you have this, go to your plugin and then activate this plugin. All right, so this is the plugin we use to monetize. All right, this is the plugin. All right, so once you have that in place, go ahead and click on this and click on this header and footer. Okay, so this is where we're going to be adding the Adsterra. Now, so once you have your website fully developed and you've already started adding your content and also is monetized, now the best important thing right now is to get traffic to this particular website. Okay, and I've already made series of videos on how you can actually get traffic to your website. All right, so this particular video right here is going to simply help you. Okay, just go ahead and watch this video and this video right here. Before I end this video, I'm going to be showing you more of the traffic sources that are not saturated right now for movie review niche. Okay, so the first platform you can actually use right now is Flipboard. You can use Flipboard to create movie magazine blog posts. Okay, you can use Lemmy right here. This is a Reddit alternative that's going to simply give you more traffic with low competition. Okay, you can use Quora. Okay, people are searching for best movies to watch, trending movies in 2026, and a lot of that. You can answer the question in detail and also add your link. You can use Medium and also repurpose your content on Medium. You can use Hive Social, right? So these are social media platforms you can actually use right now. You can use Subtract and get traffic to your website. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and also turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.